Before I discuss the direct ayahs, I would like to give you 2-3 words of Arabic. Like for example, the word used for husband is Baal. Baal, which means husband. And for the wife, the word generally used is Imrat, Imrah, or the Nisa, women. Women or Nisa. In the Quran, if you note the ayahs that are referred to as wife, the word is used as Imrat or Nisa. But they are used as non-married women as well as married women. So, but the word is used Zoj also as pairs. So I remember this. 3 words are used for women. Nisa is woman. Imrat is referred as wife as well as woman. And the third is the Zawj. The Zawj means pairs. 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 And also as wife or also as husband. Vice versa. Zawj is used for both sexes. For men and for women. My wife is a Zawj to me and I am a Zawj to her. In Arabic would be the same. So it is like this. So these are the 3 words used for women, but for men generally is used as Baal or Rijal as man. Man is just a man, not a husband. It is also a husband, but it is referred as Rijal as man. So the ayahs that I will read, the word will occur as Rijal, as man, or Nisa, as woman, or sometime Baal, if it is required for. Why I am saying this? Because the ayahs does not definitely say husband and wife in the Quran. The ayahs that I will read to you today. But you can understand it is referring to a husband-wife relationship by the context and the text that when I will read, you will understand that inshallah. Surah Rum 30 and ayah 21. وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ أَنْ خَلَقَ لَكُم مِّنْ أَنفُسِكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا لِتَسْكُنُوا إِلَيْهَا وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَكُمْ مَوَدَّةً وَرَحْمَةً إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ لَآيَاتٍ لِقَوْمٍ يَتَفَكَّرُونَ. And from his ayats, signs is that he created you for you pairs, wives, for your souls, so that you take satisfaction towards them. And he has put love and mercy between you. Surely in that are ayah signs for people who consider. Now, if you look into this ayah, the word, another word I forgot to tell you is a nafs. In Arabic, nafs means the psyche, or the soul, or the self, nafsiyat, psychology. So in this ayat, if you note the pairs, look again, وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ أَنْ خَلَقَ لَكُم مِّنْ أَنفُسِكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا. That among his ayahs is that he created you for you pairs. Zoj, I told you Zoj means pairs, from your souls, from your psyche, from your psychology. So before I go further, you must understand the ayat is not referring to man, because the man is translated as Rijal. I told you in the beginning, Rijal means man, Baal means husband, and wife means Nisa or Imrat. Nisa means the woman, Imrat means the wife. But in Arabic here is Azwaj, can be used for husband and wife, but the word is nafs, anfusukum azwaj. That in our psyche, in our psychology, there are masculine and feminine in our psychology. So Allah has made pairs within our psychology. Men, not men and women, masculine and feminine means masculine character traits, feminine character traits. That is the behavior by virtue you can understand this is a masculine character trait. This is a feminine character traits. It is to be found in both sexes, men and women both. It is within our psychology. Where did we get it? This is in the booklet. I just refer to a verse. You can note down the reference. And that reference is Surah Hujrat 49, 13 ayat. You write down the reference on this page. Surah Hujrat, that is 49, 13 ayat. Ya ayyuhan nas, O mankind, inna khalaqnakum min dhakarin wa unsa wa ja'alnakum shu'uban wa qabaila lita'arafu. Inna akramakum indallah atqakum inna Allah alimun khabir. O mankind, surely we have created you from Zakar. Zakar means muzakkar, that means masculine. Unsa means muannas, means feminine. Allah has created all of us, men and women, both with masculine and feminine in our psychology. Allah has created us, men means rijal, woman means nisa, both of us, all of us, in the psychology as masculine, muzakkar, and muannas. In Arabic, zakara aw wa unsa. So that is the reference that you can get from this ayah, which I have given you, that in the Quran, Allah has created mankind from masculine and feminine. So we, men and women, both have masculine and feminine character traits. Sometimes the masculine trait within a woman, within a woman I start from, if the masculine trait with a woman is more, you can see the masculinity in her, you can see some hairs on her face, or sometimes she's aggressive. That's a masculine trait that I'm talking about. She'll be different. Sometimes males are behaving like a feminine. So what I'm referring to, you must understand what I'm describing. So masculine trait and a feminine trait is within both sexes. That's based on the book. So Allah has said, وَمِنْ آيَاتِ أَنْ خَلَقَ لَكُم مِّنْ أَنفُسِكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا. And from His ayahs is that He created for you min anfusikum, from your souls, nafs, psychology. Azwaj means pairs. Litaskunu ilayha, so that you take satisfaction towards them. وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَكُمْ مَوَدَّةً وَرَحْمَةً, and He has put love and mercy between you. Within you what? Between your masculine and feminine, He has made love and affection in individual. In one individual I'm talking about. Within myself there is a masculine, within myself is a feminine, and I'm as a man. I'm a man. So I must know what is the masculine trait described in the Quran, the male behavior, the rijal, and I must know the feminine trait within the Quran, the female behavior, the woman behavior. I must know both. That is how I will govern myself, and that is how I will govern the female. The female should also know what is the masculine trait or what is the male described in the Quran, and what is the man described in the Quran, and what is the feminine described or a woman described in the Quran. So she can have love and satisfaction until unless she knows the both. And that is Allah says that He has put love and affection between you, within one person. So generally in psyche they say the intelligence is the masculine and emotion is the feminine, of both male and female, of both sexes, the man and woman both. It's not referring to women only, that women are only emotional. No. The woman have got intelligence, the woman have got feelings. The man has got intelligence and the man has got feelings. But they are, Allah has put love and affection between them. They are combinedly, interactively, and they are combined together, and you are a human being. A rijal, a man, or a nisa, a woman. So you must know this. So this is how, first of all, you must know the pair is not, the people are referring to this verse as the pairs are made in garden, Jannat. I have selected a woman, I got married to her, and they said this pair was in the garden, Jannat. It's not like that. It is within you. If you know the masculine person, if you know the right woman, the right feminine character traits, and the similar whom you married, she must also know both. But they can never be same because of the the birth you are with carrying the how much masculine trait you have got, how much feminine trait she has got. So it is unevenly balanced between both people. So they give you medicine, testosterone or estrogen to decrease or increase the masculinity or femininity of the both sexes.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.